I'm super grateful for where I'm at right now, and everything that's going on in life. Could be better. It'll always be better, but I'm thankful for where it is and what it's not right now, because there's a lot of people that's in worse conditions and worse shape. And so it's always a blessing just being grateful. That's one of the things I learned a few weeks ago. Just guy was talking and he was just sharing how the cure for a lot of negative emotions like stress and anxiety and fear, anger, depression, all those kind of negative emotions is gratefulness. That if you can find a place of grateful, something to be grateful for, and think back on good things that's happened in your life in your past, and just encourage yourself to know that everything's going to be okay. You're just passing through right now. And even though you're passing through, that I'm a true believer. You can't have a testimony if you haven't been through any tests. And so everybody always wants to have the testimony and be able to shout, but they don't want to go through nothing. And it doesn't work like that. You got to go through the fire to be tested and to be refined, just like gold. You have to heat it up or pressure that forms diamonds. You got to be under constant pressure for a long time in order to produce that diamond. And so if you're that diamond in the rough, just know you need more pressure around you. And I'm a true believer that the Lord done put on you more than you can bear. So at the end of the day, it's going to all work out. It's going to all be good, and we're going to be better for it. So, yep, 500K challenge. I think this is day 20. Y'all be on the lookout for my real estate investing boot camp. It's for anybody looking to build a real estate investing business, but it's especially for people who are looking how to leverage their real estate or diversify their portfolio into real estate to get more passive income. And that's the biggest thing now, is just working with people, veterans, entrepreneurs, and government civilians that's looking for help with trying to diversify out of completely in stocks and leverage their retirement accounts in order to buy cash flow in real estate. Doesn't take a lot of houses, y'all. You can get $5,000 of passive income off owning just 10 houses, 10, 12 houses. And there's multiple strategies, and we know the lenders that lend on your portfolio. Oh yeah, it's not hard at all, but people just they don't have the knowledge, and people choose not to do it. And a lot of times we focus on entertainment, focus on distractions, and we're not about our business and not about building our legacy and generational wealth, which is what it's all about. So y'all be blessed today. Find something to be grateful for, and I will see you tomorrow.